Thank you, Mr. Williams, and good afternoon to everyone. As of today, May 5th, 2020, at 3 p.m., the World Health Organization reports 3,525,116 confirmed cases of coronavirus disease globally, with 243,540 deaths. To date, 318 persons have been sampled and tested, with 15 confirmed positive, 303 confirmed negative, and 0 results pending. This afternoon, I would like to confirm that we have 12 confirmed cases who have recovered. I repeat, 12 confirmed cases have recovered. To date, we have 0 deaths. Currently, 55 persons are quarantined in a government facility, while 5 persons are quarantined at home. 3 persons remain in isolation, while 744 persons have been released from quarantine. On March 11, 2020, the World Health Organization characterized the coronavirus disease outbreak as a pandemic. The Ministry of Health activated the Health Emergency Operations Center on Tuesday, March 24, 2020, in response to this declaration. The Health Emergency Operating Center team consists of the following persons. The Public Relations Officer is Dr. Marissa Carty, who is also an NCD coordinator. The Operations Manager of the HEOC is Mr. Sylvester Bell, our health planner. The planning managers include Dr. Keisha Liddy, who is our Director of Community-Based Health Services. She is ably assisted by Sister Sandra Lestrade Keynes, who is the Deputy Director of Institutional Nursing Services. She is also assisted by Nurse Davida Irish, who is our Coordinator of Community Nursing Services, along with Nurse Sharice Wallace, who is the Infection Prevention and Control Officer at the JNF General Hospital. In Nevis, she is assisted by Dr. Judy Nisbet, the Medical Officer of Health, who is assisted by Dr. Retna Walwyn Brown, who is the Deputy Medical Officer of Health. Mr. Alexander Riley, the Chief Environmental Health Officer. The Logistics Manager is Miss Verna Brown, who is the Admin Officer of Community-Based Health Services. Data management is conducted by Dr. Rafael Rosales, our national epidemiologist, and he's assisted by Miss Kayla Farrell, our statistician. The finance team sub-team consists of Miss Kishma Cranston, who is the admin finance officer in the Federal Office of the Ministry of Health, and is also assisted by Miss Gail Cranston, Operations Manager at JNF General Hospital. I would like to acknowledge the valuable support of the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Health, Dr. Dolores Stapleton Harris. The Health Emergency Operating Center team meets daily. We meet daily, 7 days per week. Today, I would like to use this forum and opportunity to thank each member for their individual and significant contribution to the fight against the coronavirus. We have been successful in containing the first wave of the COVID-19 cases. On the ground, we continue active surveillance for coronavirus disease cases, and we continue aggressive tracing of contacts of cases. This is our reasonable service. It was Desmond Tutu who once said, "Do your little bit of good where you are. It's those little bits of good put together that overwhelm the world." End of quote. I thank you.